Philippians 3:14. I press toward the mark for the prize of the high calling of God in Christ Jesus. This verse reminds us to stay focused on our spiritual goals, stay on purpose, pressing forward with determination, no matter the storms of life. Despite the challenges and distractions, we are called to pursue the higher calling in Christ, an eternal reward that far outweighs anything we face in this life. With faith and perseverance, we can keep our eyes on the prize and run the race with confidence, knowing that God's promises await us.